written very well, because abstract is the part which is getting read more often or by most of the users. Then the fourth important component of a research paper is keywords and abbreviations. Okay, after abstract one should have to give keywords, and whatever the abbreviations used in the paper, in the research article, should be given here clearly. So what are keywords? Keywords are the words which are specifically used in a particular research article, or if a particular research article is based on a particular fact finding, then keywords are important, highly important, unavoidable part of that fact finding. Or in a simple way, what we can tell you, that keywords are the words by which other people can search your article. Okay. कीवर्ड म्हणजे कसे कीवर्ड असतात? कीवर्ड म्हणजे असे वर्ड असतात की जे गुगल मध्ये टाकल्यावरती किंवा कुठल्याही सर्च इंजिन मध्ये टाकल्यावर तुमचा पेपर फाइंड आउट झाला पाहिजे. असे जे शब्द आहेत, जे महत्त्वाचे शब्द आहेत, दीज आर कॉल्ड ॲज कीवर्ड्स. ओके, की जे वर्ड्सनी तुमचा पेपर फाइंड आउट होतो. अँड ॲब्रिव्हिएशन्स, तुम्ही जे जे काही ॲब्रिव्हिएशन्स यूज केलेले असतात रिसर्च आर्टिकलमध्ये, मुख्य तेच ॲब्रिव्हिएशन शॉर्ट फॉर्म इथं इलॅबोरेटिव्हली, म्हणजे फक्त त्याचे फुल फॉर्म तुम्हाला द्यायचे असतात. येते लक्षात? सो वन मोर थिंग वन शुड हॅव टू कीप इन माइंड, that these keywords or abbreviations should not be more than 5 to 8. It should not be more than 5 to 8. Okay, so one should have to keep an eye whether you are writing minimum amount of keywords and abbreviations or not. Okay, so only those who are highly necessary for the research article should be taken. Okay, so that you will try to maintain the maximum limit of keywords and abbreviations. Okay, so the second important part after title and author is the abstract, writing abstract and keywords and abbreviations. I hope you all must have understood this till keywords and abbreviations. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll see the second part. On this next slide, the next part of a research paper is introduction. Then after proper writing of, let's say, a title, author, their affiliations, abstract and keywords, now it is a part, it is required part to write introduction. So introduction should be written in 3 parts. There are 3 parts of introduction. The first part is general presentation of the problem. On which problem you are working, that problem should be presented in a generalized manner. Okay? कुठल्या गोष्टीवर तुम्ही काम करत आहात, कशाबद्दल तुम्ही माहिती लिहित आहात, that should be presented here in a simple language. Okay, so it should be, the first part of introduction should be general presentation of the problem. Then the second part is precise plan of aim. काय तुम्हाला साध्य करायचंय आणि कशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही ते साध्य करणार आहात. Okay, that should be given in precise plan of aim. And lastly, one should have to state the objectives. The last part of the introduction should state about or should speak about the objectives and how the objectives are getting fulfilled, or how the objectives will be getting fulfilled by a particular research. That should be mentioned here. So the introduction should be having three parts: general presentation of the problem, precise plan of aim, and stating the objectives. Okay. Then the next part after introduction, and that is materials and methods. Materials and method for performing particular experiment or doing particular work. What type of material you have used or what type of methods you have used, that should be written in a technical way. Okay, without using any kind of phrases, any other language based things. One should have to clearly mention the technical details of materials and methods used in this. Okay, so materials and methods should be written very well, because these are the part of the research article, the what is important part of a research article. Then after materials and method, the next part is results. Whatever the findings of particular experiment, that should be given here in result. In result, one should not only give the descriptive explanation of what are the findings. The findings should be proved with the observations. So there should be presence of chart, figures, findings should be linked by clear explanation. So there should be proper photograph, proper proof should be given in the results. Okay, by either way of by providing chart of graph of figures or findings. Okay, so one should have to write this result part very carefully. Then the next part becomes discussion. In the discussion, one should have to give personal interpretation of whatever results will be getting. Okay, जे काही रिझल्ट मिळत आहेत ते असे रिझल्ट का मिळत आहेत, कशामुळे मिळत आहेत, जर का असे रिझल्ट मिळत आहेत तर त्याचं काय अनालिसिस असू शकतो, आणि या सगळ्या गोष्टी डिस्कशन मध्ये आल्या पाहिजेत. ओके, then after discussion one should have to write conclusion. So conclusion should be non elaborative. Okay, it should be concise in either point wise manner, 1 2 3 4 points at least, or if it is in a paragraph manner, it should be in 1 or 2 paragraph only, not more than that. So it should be concise and precise one. Okay, conclusion. Lastly, the acknowledgement part. Acknowledgement part means while performing this study, whosoever has helped you, either in writing, either in spelling checking, either in grammar checking, either in taking photograph, giving certain help, giving certain technique to be done, or in any ways if someone is helping you for completing particular paper, then one should have to express gratitude for all these people by mentioning their name in the acknowledgement part. Okay, so that should be acknowledgement. Then there should be bibliography. The bibliography should involve all list of references. If there are research articles which are referred, that should be listed in a proper way. If there are certain books referred, that should be listed in a proper way. Or if any TV program, if any website, if any blog or any other article or newspaper article is used as a reference, that should be listed in a proper format. Okay, and we have seen there are different formats of writing a bibliography or references. We have seen these number name method or year method, different methods of writing bibliography in our practical course, and we are also going to study this here too, but that are important part of a research paper. And finally, the supplementary material or the excess material should be given in tables or figures with proper ligates. Okay. The extra material should be given here so that the reader will get extra knowledge about the experiment done or the fact findings. So in this manner, these are different important parts of a research or component of a research paper. We have seen earlier the title, then authors and their affiliations, then abstract, then keywords and abbreviations, then introduction, materials and method, results, discussion, conclusion, acknowledgement, bibliography, tables and figures with ligates. So these are important component of a research paper, and I hope you all must have understood this part of today's lecture. Yes or no?
Yes,
If you
sir.
people have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me anytime. I hope you all must have understood this. तुम्हाला समजलंय का?
हो सर.
Okay. Then the next part is writing a review paper. So what is a review paper first of all? Writing a review paper. A review is an article to briefly review recent advancement in a particular topic. Recent advancement in a particular topic. Now what is a review? आता review म्हणजे काय? Review is a type of research article which gives all information of a particular topic under sun. म्हणजे एखाद्या टॉपिक बद्दल माहित असलेली आतापर्यंतची सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन त्यामध्ये कव्हर केलेली असते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ द रिव्ह्यू टॉपिक इज अ पेन्सिल, मग या पेन्सिल चा शोध कसा लागला, कुठल्या कुठल्या वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या पेन्सिल आहेत, कशा त्या मॉडिफाय होत गेल्या, कशा त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे टाईप आहेत, आतापर्यंत पुढे फ्युचरमध्ये कुठल्या प्रकारच्या पेन्सिल येणार आहेत, रिसेंट ॲडव्हान्समेंट त्यांच्यामध्ये काय काय, या सगळ्याचा एक ओव्हरव्ह्यू घेणं, ओके, इज रिव्ह्यू. Okay, so it can be of anything. It can be of LCD TV, it can be of mobile phones, it can be of a particular topic in your research field like malaria, it can be of anything. But review is what we know